Xiaomi is on a wild streak this year. Seriously, 2026 might be their boldest lineup yet. We've got foldables, flagships, and even phones that look straight out of sci-fi. So if you're thinking of upgrading, don't buy anything until you see what Xiaomi's cooked up this year. Here are the best Xiaomi phones of 2026. And yeah, there's a clear winner hiding in this list. Let's start with the monster, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you care about camera quality more than anything, this phone might ruin every other flagship for you. It packs a 1-inch Sony LYT900 sensor, variable aperture f1.6 to f4.0, and Leica optics that give every photo that cinematic Leica glow. You can literally feel the texture of skin, fabric, and color tone straight out of the camera. No filter needed. It shoots 8K video, has 4 optical lenses, and the AI portrait engine actually recognizes the environment, not just faces, for depth and mood. Performance-wise, it runs the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, paired with up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB UFS 4.0 storage. The display? 6.73-inch QHD plus A AMOLED TPO 144Hz Dolby Vision, and up to 3000 nits brightness. Stunning indoors or under sunlight. And the battery? 5000 milliamp hours, 90 watts wired, 80 watts wireless. Because charging anxiety is so 2020. This one's made for creators, photographers, and anyone who wants DSLR level performance in their pocket. Check the link in the description for more on the 15 Ultra. If you don't need the Ultra's crazy camera setup but still want flagship power, the Xiaomi 15 hits that sweet spot. It's smaller at 6.36 inches with the same gorgeous AMOLED 144Hz panel and that new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip under the hood. The main camera is a 50-megapixel Leica Summilux sensor, which still outperforms most phones twice its price. You get a compact aluminum frame, IP68 water resistance, stereo speakers tuned by Harman Kardon, and 67-watt turbocharging that fills it up in about half an hour. It's basically the flagship for normal people phone. Everything top tier, none of the bulk or overkill. Check the link below for the Xiaomi 15. Now, if you're all about power, meet the Xiaomi 15T Pro, the speed freak of the family. This one's built for gamers, multitaskers, and performance-hungry users. You're getting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 turbo chip, up to 16GB RAM, and a display with a 165Hz refresh rate. It's insanely smooth. Scrolling feels like butter, and gaming is lag-free even on max graphics. The 5000 mAh battery supports 120-watt hypercharge, which means 0 to full in under 20 minutes. And with Xiaomi's new AI cooling algorithm, it adjusts performance dynamically to keep the temperature in check. If you're editing video, streaming, or gaming all day, this is the one that won't flinch. Full details linked below for the 15T Pro. Next up, the Poco X7 Pro. Proof that you don't need $1,000 for great performance. It runs the Dimensity 8 300 Ultra chip, delivers 120Hz AMOLED, and supports 68-watt fast charging. The design is sleek, matte finish, curved edges, and it just feels way more premium than its price. For content creators, you've got a 64-megapixel OIS main camera that delivers crisp shots and stable video. And with AI-enhanced night mode, even low-light shots pop without noise. If you're a student, casual gamer, or someone upgrading from an older phone, this one's an absolute steal. Link in the description for the Poco X7 Pro. Finally, the most eye-catching one of them all, the Xiaomi Mix Flip. This is Xiaomi's first vertical foldable that actually goes toe-to-toe with Samsung's Z Flip. It's ultra-thin, folds perfectly flat, and has a 1.9-inch outer display for quick notifications, selfies, and music control. Inside, you get a 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO, 120Hz display, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, and a surprisingly capable 50-megapixel dual camera system. The hinge feels smooth and durable, with Xiaomi claiming 400,000 fold cycles. It's the kind of phone that makes people stop and ask, wait, what phone is that? Perfect mix of innovation, style, and function. Grab the Mix Flip using the link in the description. So, those are the best Xiaomi phones of 2026, from the camera-crazy 15 Ultra to the futuristic Mix Flip. If you're after raw performance, grab the 15T Pro for compact flagship vibes. The Xiaomi 15 is gold. For value, the Poco X7 Pro can't be beat. And if you want style, the Mix Flip owns it. All links are in the description. Go check specs, deals, and availability right now, and tell me in the comments. Which Xiaomi would you pick this year?